y'all, hey, it's your girl and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a miniature demo on this product I've been using to grow my hair back longer and thicker, and that product is My Hair Grows Rapid Grow Oil. You guys, the ingredients in this product, my hair just absolutely loves it. Stay tuned. I love the fact that it's safe, in a safe bottle, and children can't easily access this bottle, but adults can't either. Okay, we gotta work on this bottle here. So